Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the coil orientation and which terminal supplies current. This matters because the rule links curl direction to field direction. Hold the solenoid so its axis points away from you and wrap your fingers in the direction the current actually flows around the coil. As you do this, your thumb will point along the axis toward the solenoid's magnetic north. Once done, note the thumb direction. That gives the internal magnetic field direction, so write it down before proceeding. Now physically apply the right hand grip rule. Curl your fingers in the actual direction of current around the loops, clockwise or counterclockwise as viewed from your chosen end. Your palm should close naturally. The extended thumb reveals the magnetic field direction inside the solenoid, pointing toward magnetic north. Make sure to check several adjacent turns to confirm uniformity, and if the thumb points opposite to your expected polarity, reverse the current or flip the solenoid to achieve the desired finish by verifying the predicted field with a small compass or a Hall sensor. Place the compass near the solenoid end. The needle should point away from the north pole your thumb indicated. If the reading conflicts, make sure wiring polarity matches your assumed current direction and that no turns are shorted or reversed. If the field is weaker than expected, increase the current or add turns while watching for heating. If things still go wrong, recheck connections and repeat the grip test slowly and deliberately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.